How aligned do you feel in your team or organization? And how aligned do you feel like your whole organization is in trying to work towards the same purpose? Alignment is a huge force to help people feel connected to something bigger than themselves. And I want to talk about how this can help unlock some opportunities for you. Let's jump into it. Hey there, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert and author of The Intentional Engineer. And today we're talking about the principle of alignment. Alignment can happen at every single level of a team or organization. And really it's about, are we moving in the same direction? If we're not, then we're going to be butting heads and we're going to be opposing forces and working against each other to achieve our goals. But instead we want to be aligned and moving towards the same thing together to do this. And so I want to talk about 3 different levels that we can do this to help individuals, teams, and organizations do this well. So number 1 is aligning with individuals. Considering, can you help individuals inside of your organization feel aligned to the team and the purpose of the work that they're doing, to see and connect with, this is my responsibility, this is the purpose I do and why I do it. To give a really pretty well-known example, I forget where I heard the story, it's been cited in multiple books, but the idea that there was someone who was essentially a janitor and a cleaner of rooms and hospital rooms, but they saw themselves as a key part of the team to help provide a comfortable, safe, and clean room to help promote healing inside of the patients. And when they connected with that seemingly mundane work, as we would typically think about that type of work, to a higher purpose, they felt aligned and happy to be there to be helped out. And that's a beautiful, beautiful example. How can you help the individuals in your teams and organizations feel the same? Number 2, I want to think about this at the team level. How can teams be aligned? I've seen too often where different teams are misaligned and kind of working against each other. And you can insert any names on 2 teams where they're kind of working against or fighting against each other: engineering and marketing, or sales, or finance, or HR, or anyone else, and thinking about, hey, how are these different teams working together? Even different engineering teams. You have a software engineering team and a process team or deployment team or something. Are they working together for the same goal? Are they aligned together? If they don't see and recognize what the other team is trying to accomplish and how their work needs to be mutually beneficial for everyone, then they're going to be fighting for resources and time and focus and all sorts of things, instead of considering what's best for everyone and how can we optimize together. So can you help your teams be aligned? And then finally, level 3, thinking about at the larger organization or even just division level, whatever is this next level for you, and considering, what is the purpose of the entire organization that everyone can be aligned to? What is its purpose for existing? And I love that concept from a book called The Big 5 for Life by John Strzelecki. If we can recognize that there's a purpose for an organization existing in terms of what the organization is trying to do in terms of delivering products or services or other things for clients and customers, and if we can help everyone feel like they're a part of doing something great, then the organization as a whole is much more aligned, instead of just the individuals trying to come in and do whatever they're doing. So if we can align at every level, individual, team, and organization, then this alignment is going to help everyone to feel connected to a purpose bigger than themselves and do their very best work. So thanks so much for watching today. Again, my name is Jeff Perry, author of The Intentional Engineer, and I love helping unlock potential in people. I'm a people-first leader, and I'm a people-first coach, consultant, and trainer. I'd love to help and work with you and your team and organization to unlock some potential in some of your people through a people-first approach instead of focusing so much on just the things that need to get done, can we help, like we talked about today, work on the increased alignment to unlock some of this opportunity? So please reach out, connect with me at jeff-perry.com, find me on LinkedIn, or reach out to me here and we can have a further conversation. And I hope to see you on the next video.